Oh, I'm so busy. I've just finished painting today, so I thought I'd just give you a quick tour of the kitchen garden, trying to fit everything in this month. And it's looking, I don't know, it's looking quite nice. It's had about 2 hours of work this week. I'll just fly around and show you what's going on. So, let me go around here. So I've got all my late potatoes, well not all of them, but some of my late potatoes. These are the ones that we'll be harvesting in March and April. They're just better quality when you start them a bit later. And I've got all of my tumblers, tomatoes, all around here. A couple of different successions of those. And then, what are these? Tigerellas and Black Moon. All okay. Another tumbler there. Got my autumn leeks, got a bit bashed around in the wind, and I would have weeded all these out. These are golden purslane, which were self-seeded into this bed, but actually the golden purslane, my main crop, which I've just planted out, they all got mould, so I've left these in. I might have to transplant these anyway. So a few leeks for autumn, and then I've got 2 more successions of leeks for winter and spring. Just a few salad onions left over after I harvested the lettuces that they were interplanted into. Grapevine up there, Brussels there. Got lots of Brussels on the allotment as well, but it's nice to have a few in the kitchen garden, just because if it's too wet and windy and horrible in winter to harvest, I have got everything in the kitchen garden basically to keep us going. And another lettuce bed with salad onions interplanted. I've got way too many salad onions. I was worried that I was going to run out, and now I'm worried I've got too many. Well, I know I've got too many, but anyway, that's just the way it is. So these are okay. They're coming to the end now, and I've got another batch on the way on the allotment. So little old cherry tree, ancient, struggling, but we like it, so we keep it going for as long as we can. The apricot tree, no apricots on it, but it's looking really lovely. It's such a lovely little tree. And the peach tree, which is actually looking really nice. I don't know whether these are nectarines or peaches actually, but look a bit more like a nectarine to me. So these go back in the greenhouse in the corners in, well, probably January, something like that. And just a few spare peppers, my day neutral strawberries that are going to go in the polytunnel for a late harvest there. And there's the greenhouse. I've done a video all about what's going on in the greenhouse, but loads of tomatoes, loads of French beans, loads of cucumbers, loads of peppers. Just look at some of these peppers. Looking really lovely. But the peppers on the allotment are also looking really lovely. Not a huge amount of difference. All my successions of brassicas down here. Yeah, cucumbers and all that. So it's looking pretty good. Colettes. All of my colettes are in the kitchen garden this year. That's just the way that the crop rotation worked. And more salad onions. God, so many salad onions. Anyway, and lettuces, and then these are my day neutral strawberries, and I've been taking all of the flowers off them so that I get them in sort of mid to late summer, because I've got plenty of strawberries right now, so I don't want any more. Some shallots here, just nowhere near as good as ones on the allotment because these aren't in full sun, but hopefully they'll size up. There's still plenty of time. And my last batch, penultimate batch of peas. I've had so many peas, I'm just like, can hardly eat them anymore because I'm so fed up with them. But the grandkids really love them, and I snack on them as well. But anyway, that's the peas. And what we've got down here, ochre. So got We've got the ochre in the kitchen garden rather than the allotment this year, so I can keep it a bit better watered. And to be honest, it needs watering, but it's all bashed around because we've just had some really high winds. Strawberries doing quite nicely, and then these are doing amazing. So these are the same batch of Brussels as the ones I just showed you, but these are a little bit more sheltered, and I don't know, just don't get quite as much sun. And these are Pentland Brig kales, and I can see there dastardly caterpillar. I don't know whether you can see it, so I need to come back and get rid of that. But I have sprayed all these things, all these brassicas with BT. Down here I've got gooseberries and blueberries, basically roughly alternating. Down here looking okay, so reasonably nice harvest of blueberries on the way. Oh, actually a few of them starting to ripen, that's good. Yeah, some more blueberries down here, some more of those late potatoes for harvest in spring there, some more blueberries down there, another cherry tree there, that's doing a little bit better. We share the cherries with the birds, there's plenty for both of us, for both types of creature. Some more day neutral strawberries there, which I cut back, removed all the dead leaves, took all the flowers off, just letting the flowers come again now, so I've got some strawberries soon. A few more tomatoes there, just some seedlings hardening off there. Next succession of red cabbages there, and then that's the main batch of red cabbages down here. And look at all those leaves that have broken off in those gales. That is disappointing. There, look, there's one there. Another one there. Yeah, ravaged. Raspberries there, just starting to come into fruit. Not as good as the ones on the allotment actually, which are well in fruit at the moment. But anyway, these red cabbages are looking really lovely by contrast. I love the way these look, especially when there's actually lots of red strawberries on them. See all my scaffolding here, all the scaffolding that's keeping me busy. Plum, apple, cherry, apple, cherry, pear, and then yacon in these containers, not getting much sun because of the scaffolding, and more ochre down here. And this is our little potager garden here, and we've got some kales, some celeriac with more salad onions. Oh my goodness, so many salad onions. And this is the purslane that I was complaining about. It got mouldy, but actually it looks like it's kind of growing through it, so I think if I just cut that off it'll all regrow and it'll be all right. Gooseberries, a few flowers and things like that, apples, onions, main crop onions, summer leeks down the back there. Let's have a look at those summer leeks actually. Yes, these are sizing up really nicely. So hopefully we'll be eating these in July. Yeah, so more. These were salad onions, but fortunately for a lot of my salad onions I've chosen a variety that will bulb and work well as a main crop onion as well. So if I leave them, I just get more main crop onions, which is a really good idea. And then a little bit of chard and a bit of celery. That celery's not looking very good. I don't know what's happened to that. Something's eaten it. Anyway, I think there's some celery over there as well. That is it. My name's Steve. This is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment channel, and I'll see you soon.